Advocacy. What is it and what does it mean? Advocacy is defined as an activity carried out by an individual or group which aims to influence decisions within political, economic, and social systems and institutions. Advocacy can be facilitated through media campaigns, public speaking, commissioning and publishing research, or filing legal papers in a court of law.
For the accounting profession, the association has made a commitment to our members to ensure the interests of both public and management accountants are being represented at the highest levels of authority. Accountants are the experts. Regulators and policymakers depend on us for objective, ethical, and independent opinions on major issues affecting business and the public good.
So how is advocacy initiated? The first step is to identify issues. This can be done either proactively or reactively.
Proactive advocacy involves seeking out issues. In that sense, we actively look for areas that could benefit from our involvement and at the same time support good public policy. We identify opportunities to work with government officials to improve regulations or laws that impact our members' work. To help implement these policy goals, we represent the profession and our members with thought leadership pieces or writing comment letters to make the case for a particular action. We also engage in discussions with public officials and regulators who have jurisdiction over specific issues.
In some instances, advocacy takes a more reactive path. This may happen when a well-intentioned lawmaker or regulator takes on an issue without understanding the consequences to the profession.
Audit firm rotation is a good example of this. To those outside the profession, requiring public accounting firms who perform audits to rotate would appear to ensure auditor independence and spur competition. But studies have shown that rotation can often reduce the quality of an audit.
Once we've identified issues, we take various actions. This includes holding in-person meetings with lawmakers, regulators, and their staff, and providing education, resources, and support to ensure policymakers understand the impact of these issues on the profession and their constituents.
Local activities are fundamental to successful global advocacy for the association. This includes a grassroots-level approach which uses local people who understand how best to create momentum to move ideas and messages to policy or regulatory bodies within a region. Developing trusted relationships with policymakers is also a major driver in fostering successful advocacy efforts. And finally, collaboration plays an essential role ensuring a uniform position on issues across the profession, and that our messages are customized so they resonate well with local government leaders.
The association now brings the weight of the entire profession and all of our interests to the global stage. We are the experts on public and management accounting issues, and policymakers want to hear from us. The goal is to provide positive outcomes for all members and, in turn, the public interest.